Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of our fabric beading tutorial. These are some of the works, some of the things you would learn. That it's a beginner's class. You will learn the basics of how to achieve all these patterns. However, these patterns are up on my channel at Nkiru Ezulu for you to watch for free and save for later. So our another bidding class is coming up. Just check the flyer for the details. If you have any question or any inquiries, you can send me a DM or send me a WhatsApp message. Thank you.